Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix desktop frozen cannot click any thing on the desktop. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all press a Control Alt and Delete button and go to your task manager. After doing this, just go down and find out a Windows Explorer. Now here is the Windows Explorer. Right click on End Task. Now after doing this step, go to your file, click on Run New Task. Now after that, type explorer.exe, and after that select create this task with administrator privileges. After that, click on Open it. Now you can see that taskbar once again appears. After doing this set, I hope your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.